Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. H Math Lab. This is the video for Math 1 student. This is the fourth video for the first semester final review. Number 37, a line passes through the point 4, -6 has the slope of 3/2. Write an equation in the slope-intercept form for this line. So slope-intercept form, what I'm asking for is y equal to mx plus b. Okay, so we have a slope, we have a point. You can use point slope formula. Y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. We have a point which can be x1, y1. That will be y minus -6 equal to 3/2 x minus 4. 2 negative turn into positive. That will be y plus 6 equal to 3/2 times x minus 4. Then we can distribute 3/2 into parentheses. Y plus 6 equal to 3/2x minus 3 times 4 is 12/2, which can be 6. Y plus 6 equal to 3/2x. 12 divided by 2 is 6. To get y by itself, we're going to do is subtract 6 on both sides. So y equal to 3/2x minus 12 as the final answer for problem 37. Okay, problem 38. The equations of 3 lines are given below. Line 1, 2, and 3. For each pair of lines, determine whether they are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Alright. So to compare the lines, 3 equation lines given below, whether they parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Alright. So 3 lines, the parallel lines when they have the same slope. Okay. If they all have the same slope, which means they're parallel, or perpendicular, which means that when they multiply each other is equal to -1. One slope can be a negative reciprocal of the other. But more likely, the case of perpendicular, well, it may happen if you have 2 parallel lines and one crossover at 90 degrees, yes. Alright, let's take a look and see. We're going to talk about the final answer together after we've done pull out the slope. Okay, line 1, we need it in y equal to mx plus b. So 5y equal to 2x plus 3 is not done yet. We want y by itself. So we're going to divide by 5 on both sides. So y equal to 2/5x plus 3/5. So the slope of line 1, m1 equal to 2/5. Alright. Now we're going to talk about m2. I need to move this out of my way first. Alright, so M2, line 2, 4x plus 10y equal to 2. We need to solve for y. So first you're going to do is subtract 4x on both sides. That will give you 10y equal to -4x plus 2. Then we divide all the terms by 10. So y equal to -4/10 can be reduced as 2/5, -2/5x plus 1/5. So slope of the second line m2 is -2/5. Okay, so and last one m3. Line 3, y equal to 5/2x minus 6. So m3 equal to 5/2. Alright, so here we go. m1 is 2/5. To be parallel, m2 have to be equal to 2/5 without negative. So with this negative, what that tell me it's not a parallel. Perpendicular have to be opposite, reciprocal. If it's perpendicular, the slope gonna be the reciprocal. That will be 5/2 with opposite sign is -5/2 for the perpendicular. So At M2, it's just opposite sign, but that's not a reciprocal. So it's not a perpendicular either. So it's going to be neither. Okay. M3, the slope is 5 over 2. However, for perpendicular, you need a negative sign, and M3 doesn't have that. So the answer is going to be neither for all of them. Alright, problem 39. Suppose we are given the following points, line 1, 2, and 3 with 6 points. You're gonna find the slope of each. Okay, so this is like the practice test that we did earlier. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. We're gonna find the slope. M1 equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Your x2 is 2 minus 7 over negative 2 minus negative 4. 2 negative turn into a positive, so that will be 2 minus 7 over negative 2 plus 4. That will be negative 5 over 2. Okay, that is the slope of line 1, negative 5 over 2. Line 2, x1, y1, x2, y2. M2 equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That will be negative 1 minus 8. And 0 minus 5. 2 negative turn into a positive. That will be negative 1 plus 7 over 5. So that will be 6 over 5. Line 2 is 6 over 5. Okay. Yeah, yes. Alright. Line 3. M3 equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So x1, y1, x2, y2. That will be 8 minus 2, negative 2 minus 2. So that will give me, this turn into plus, that give me 10 over negative 4. If we reduce it by 2, that will give you negative 5 over 2. Alright, line 1 and line 2, line 1, line 2, line 1 and 2. The slope are not the same, so they're not parallel. They're not the opposite reciprocal, so it's not perpendicular. It's going to be neither. Line 1 and line 3. Line 1 and line 3. Oops. What just happened? Okay. Line 1 and line 3. 1 and 3 are exactly the same, so they're gonna be parallel. Line 1 and 3 are parallel because they have exactly the same slope. Oops. That. Okay. Alright, last one, line 2 and 3. Line 2 and line 3. They're not exactly the same and they're not opposite reciprocal, so it's going to be neither. Alright, we're heading to the last problem. Yay! So you're going to do is solving for y. We're going to do is add x on both sides. That will give me 3y greater than x minus 12. To get y by itself, you're going to divide by 3 on both sides. So y greater than 1/3 x minus 4. Okay, so our slope is 1/3 and the beginning is negative 4. The line, since there's no equal sign, that's going to be a dotted line. We start at negative 4. Of 1 over 3, of 1 over 3. Then we draw a line go through that 3 points. And since we said that they are no equal sign, that's going to be a dotted line. So I'm going to use a broken line or dotted line to connect my dots on my 3 points. Alright, now we need to know where to shade. You're going to do test point. Test point, you can pick any point as long as it's not on the line. So I would choose the point 0, 0 for the convenience of calculation. Negative x plus 3y greater than negative 12. So x is 0, y is 0. That would be negative 0 plus 3 times 0 greater than negative 12. And 0, 3 times 0 is 0. Negative 0 is just 0. 0 plus 0 greater than negative 12. 0 greater than negative number, which is true. When it's true, you shade the area that contains the point. The area that contains my point is above the line, so we shade everything above the line. Alright, that's pretty much it. 40 questions. I hope that you study, write down the notes on your flashcard, and use it tomorrow. Good luck everyone. Thank you for watching, and see you all tomorrow.